Hello, I'm a Spanish student. I'm in Notting Hill, London, England. I'm here to learn English. My English family's name is Cole. Andrew, the husband, and Megan, the wife, have three children: Ethan, 16, Jason, 21, and Emily, 25. Emily's married. They are all very friendly, but they speak very fast. It's difficult to understand them. What's his nationality? What does he do for a living? Where is he now? Does he work in London? Why is he in London? Who is Megan's husband? Who is Andrew's wife? How many children do Andrew and Megan have? What are the children's names? Who is the daughter in the family? Who are the sons in the family? Do they speak very slowly? How do they speak? Is it easy to understand them when they are speaking? Today is my first English class at St. Martin's College. It's a big school in the center of London in Covent Garden. It's near a lot of shops, cafes, and theaters. It's great. My class is very international. The students are from Italy, Hungary, Japan, China, Egypt, and Switzerland. Our teacher's name is Debbie. She's very young and she's very nice. I really like her. She's a good teacher. When is her first English class? Where does she learn English? Is the school small? Where is her school? Are cafes far from her school? Is her school in a great location? Are the students only from Italy? Where are the students from? Who is Debbie? Is their teacher old? Why do they like her? Hello again. It's great here. I love London. It's big and very interesting. I like shopping here, but it's very expensive. I go to the museums and galleries. The National Gallery is free. And I go to the parks. They are really beautiful. I go by bus or by underground. It's very easy. The weather's okay. It's cold but sunny. And the food is great. There are lots of Spanish restaurants in London. Is London a small city? Is London boring? What do you like to do in London? Is shopping expensive in London? Where do you go? Do you need to pay to enter the National Gallery? Do you also go to the parks? How do you go to the parks? What's the weather like? How do you like the food in London? Are there a lot of Spanish restaurants in London? He is Spanish. He is a student. He is in Notting Hill, London, England. No, he doesn't. He is in London to learn English. Her husband is Andrew. His wife is Megan. They have three children. Their names are Ethan, Jason, and Emily. She's Emily. They are Ethan and Jason. No, they don't. They speak very fast. No, it isn't. Today. She learns English at St. Martin's College. No, it isn't. It's a big school. It's in the center of London in Covent Garden. No, they are not. The cafes are nearby. Yes, it is. No, they aren't. They are from Italy, Hungary, Japan, China, Egypt, and Switzerland. She's their teacher. No, she isn't. She is very young. Because she is a good teacher. No, it isn't. It's a big city. No, it isn't. It's interesting. I like shopping. Yes, it's very expensive. I go to the museums and galleries. No, I don't. It's free. Yes, I do. I go by bus or by underground. It's cold but sunny. It's great. Yes, there are.